Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cat to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this cute kitten, let's first start by drawing the top of her head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a small curve about right here, right in the top. And then we're going to go out and draw her ears. So go up, round off the tip, and then we're going to bring it down. So I'm bringing it down, just imagining there's this big curve that's coming out. So the same thing right here. And round off the tip and bring it down. Oops, messed it up. Okay, so then from there, just imagining this coming through. So about right here, we're just gonna come out and draw a curve. So very typical cat shaped face, right? So right here, just gonna draw a curve and bring it out. Then let's come back in here and give this ear some definition. So you're just imagining a curve right here. So we're just gonna skip a little bit space, come out and draw another curve, and then come in here and draw the inside, following your outside. So same thing here. So if you're at home using a pencil, you definitely just draw this big curve first and then pop in the ears if that's a little bit easier. Then from there, we're going to start to bring this in a little bit more. Give our cat's face a little bit more definition. So bring this in. And about right there, I'll stop for now and let's come back in and draw the face. So I'll come back to the top first. I'm just going to give my cat here some stripes. And one more here, right here. And then I'm going to come down to the center a little bit higher towards the top. So let's say about right here in this area, right in the center. We're going to draw a little nose, round it off and bring it to the center for our cat. And then let's draw a big smile. So bring it straight down and then we're going to curve up on both sides and cap it off. Both sides and cap it off. And then I'm going to give this cat a really happy eyes. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve that comes down and out. I'll come in here and thicken this up. And same thing on this side. About right here. Nice big curve and then bring it out and thicken it up. There. Oh, so happy, right? And then come to the sides right here and just draw a soft curve over each eye. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. There's this big bow I want to give our cat here. So I'm going to stop. So just imagine as if this curve was continuing. And then about right here in the center, we're going to go ahead and draw a circle for the center of our bow. So we have this huge bow right here. And then I'm going to pop this out. Nice and big. About right here. And then connect. So right here, kind of like a heart-shaped loop on both sides. So come right here and we're going to go up just like the other side. And connect for a big bow. And then you come into the center right here and just draw 2 creases for some details on the bow, and then whatever space you have left, just finish off the face right here and here. Then from there, let's draw a little body. So let's come right here. We're just going to draw a small little line for an angle. Small angle line. And then from there, we're going to stop. So you're pretty level on both sides. I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to start to draw a straight line across. So this is the box that we're going to put our kitty cat in. about right there. And then I'm going to bring this down. To a little bit more. About right there, I'll stop. And draw a straight line down this way as well. About right here. I have to take a look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect all the way across. There, so we have our cat in the box. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come to the sides right here and we're going to put in a little lid. Come down at an angle and then in. So same thing right here. Come down at an angle. Drag this point across, so approximate same. And then connect. There. And then we're going to draw the back of the box. So it's come right here with its angle. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line across. It's going to pop out on the other side right here. And once again, the angle line and connect. So it looks like our cat is in the box now, right? And then from here, we're going to come in this area. And just a little indication of the cat's arms. So right here and here. And let's see, what else? Oh, whiskers. So let's come back into this space right here. And we're going to pop in 2 whiskers. And same thing here. This drawing just makes me so happy, I guess because the cat just looks so happy. And then last but not least, if you like, you can add a little headband right here if you want. I'm just going to come right here and thicken this part up. Curve, that would just be extra cute. And then we're going to pop in the center right here, a little curve, and then pop in another little curve. And then right here, we're just going to draw a heart to connect it and finish it off. And then, oh, last but not least, let's write the word love right here on this box since we have so much empty space, right? So I'm going to come right here and just quickly block out the word love. I really hope you have fun drawing this with me today and that it brings a smile to your day. And of course, to celebrate, to draw this for someone you love, who loves cats, just like I do. L-O-V and one more. So let's draw E right here. And the inside. And we're going to put a heart right here because you can never have too many hearts. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute little kitten to celebrate Valentine's. I really hope you love it and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.